Ask Dr. Charles. Today, we got a video question. Go ahead, video question.
Dr. Charles, my nose is always plugged up. I think it has to do with all these forest fires and all this smoke in here. Achoo! And I'm sneezing, yeah. Well, can you tell me what I can do to clear up my sinuses? Yeah.
Well, you know, I'm not just a Dr. Charles. Now, I might be a doctor, but I'm not your doctor. So this is for information only. So you got boogers in your nose, huh? Sounds like something fun to have. Well, where do boogers come from? Yeah. Oh, I know. There's a bunch of mucus, and it's in your nose, and it squirts it out. Every time your nose gets irritated, all your body does is make lots of boogers. So why is that bad? Well, you ever have a swimming pool and you fill the swimming pool up with water? Well, the first day it's great to go out and swimming and everything. But if you leave that pool for a couple days, stuff starts growing in there, yeah. Well, if your boogers don't keep flowing, they're going to get infected because stuff start growing in there too. That's why I got a little thing called nasal irrigation. What you do is you take a pot of salt water and shoot it up one nostril, and it comes out the other, and it clears old passageways all over the place, yeah. I got a friend that's going to do that. Don't use tap water! Tap water's not good! You don't know where it's been! Yeah! We gotta distill the water! Make it boil! One of the best ways to get rid of bacteria is boil it! And I got a tea kettle here, and now I'm gonna pour it in my neti pot. Grandpa's gonna love this one. Now make sure after you boil the water, that it cools down before you burn your nose. I hope I told Grandpa. And you know, many doctors out there recommend taking a drop or two of baby shampoo and put it in your saline solution. Then squirt that up your nose. The soap helps clear it because it has a detergent in it. Ooh, but don't put too much. Just a drop or two in a 16-ounce bottle. If you put much more than that, you'll be blowing bubbles all day long. But ask your doctor, not me. Maybe he'll let you know. After you finish using your bottle or your neti pot, you gotta clean them. Make sure they're dry. You have to store them, otherwise bacteria will grow in the water that's inside. Well, I 3D printed this little stand, and it holds the bottle upside down, so any water in it would drip out. And then you can put the nozzle on here. I found it on Thingiverse. Yeah, Thingiverse is a good place. Well, I hope you liked your show for today. And remember, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Maybe you want to see another video in the future. Who knows? Until then, it's time for the Charles dance. Boom, boom.